Hello sir, this is my first assignment video. Question 1. Why has web development become popular and what role does the browser play in the context? There are a lot of reasons behind the popularity of web development. First, accessibility. This web is accessible to anyone with internet connection to reach a global audience. Second, cross-platform compatibility. Web application can run on multiple platforms without the need for significant modification like desktop, laptop, tablets, and smartphones. Third, cost efficiency. Web development can be more cost efficiency compared to developing application for different platforms. चौथा, fast development and deployment. Six, scalability. Web application can be easily growing number of user. Cloud computing platform offer scalable interface level. Browser is the most important web development. You can think that there was no browser today, then we would not know any name of web development. First, rendering web page. Second, user interface. Third, requesting resources. Fourth, security feature. 5, cross-browser compatibility, and many more. Second question. List 3 key components of web development and briefly explain the role of each. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML hypertext markup language is the standard language used to create and design structure of web application. HTML consists of a series element, each represented by a tag. And those elements that define content layout a web page. CSS cascading style sheet is a style sheet language used to describe the representation of document. The written HTML or XML. CSS control the visual aspects of a web page, include layout, color, fonts, and spacing. JavaScript. Fonts and spacing. JavaScript is most popular programming language that enable interactive web page. Its curriculum concept of web development, allowing developer to create dynamic content, handle user interface, and modify the structure style web page in real time. Third question. Different between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript provide a real-world application of a website that efficiently use each of those technology. Whatever website you can visit or use till date, whether you have gone to that website for some work or you have gone to see anything on that site. HTML has been used in the website for structure. HTML example website like Netflix, YouTube, Flipkart. CSS. How many websites have you visited till date? And you must have seen some website which you like very much. All of them have been made beautiful using CSS only. CSS website example like Prefill, Messiah, School.com, anything. JavaScript. JavaScript to create highly interactive and dynamic user experience. Features such as date picker, real-time search result, and map interactive are powered by JavaScript, enhancing JavaScript example website like Airbnb. Fourth question. Explain the concept of internet and its role in connecting computer globally. The internet is a global network in connected computer and device that communicate with each other using a standard set of protocols such as transmission control protocol, internet protocol. It serves as vast information and communication intersection, enable the enhancing of data and resourcing across a global. 8. It crores the internet function decentralized network allow computer to connect one to another through series interconnected router and switch the interconnected wave to device forms the basic cells means communication and data transfer. Here brief overview of the key element.